Hello and welcome to Knowledge Bonds. Today we are going to show you how you can download Arduino IDE. First log on to arduino.cc. Then you will be navigate to the Arduino web page. Then you need to click on software. On the software page there is a download section. Just click on Windows Win 7 and newer version. Just click on it. Then you will be redirected to the support the Arduino IDE. If you want to support our Arduino, then you can donate. Otherwise you can just click on just download. After you click just download, your file will be start downloading. Once your file is downloaded, just open the file and follow these steps. Once the setup is completed, click the close button and open Arduino IDE. So you have successfully downloaded the Arduino IDE. If you like this video, kindly comment, subscribe this channel. Thanks you so much for watching.